Hello, and welcome back to another tutorial in the BeeHive series. Today, we'll be going over user management. So as you can see over here on the right, I have a Maya server. And over here on the left, I'm connected as a Maya client. And over here in the server window, I can change things as far as scaling, or even the alpha. You'll see as I move, there's a real-time update in the window. Other features include a list of who's connected and who's editing inside of which map. Once again, I have the same setup here in Unreal. Over on the right is my server. I'm sharing the roam scene. And over here on the left is the client, and they are joined. And you can see as I move and turn and look around, my Unreal avatar will update. Once again, you can do changes on your local site only, and that will affect the size. Currently, in order to prevent any issues with color choices, your color will be auto-assigned when you join the server. Once again, thank you for joining us in the tutorial. Be sure to catch the next video, which will talk about the transaction history window, as well as a multi-scene workflow.